Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So if I put number 0 cone here and number 0 cone here, we have 1 minus 1. You got number 0. This one, you got number 0. So in this situation, we have 0 over 0. So we can use F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So first the derivative of e to the power of s, that is about e to the power of s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, that is about 100 to the power of s, ln 100. And now we can put number 0 cone here and here. And this one, we have 1 over ln 100. This is the end. Thank you for watching.